Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., showers capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Great Egg Inlet to near Miami Light to 7 nautical miles south of Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 55 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Brown Shoal Lake, Ship Bottom, Buoy 3FB, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Garden State South Reef, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Overfalls Shoal, The Lump, North Beach Haven, Brigantine, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, 14-foot Bank Light and Great Egg Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is the